welcome back to my channel. It's Vaishnavi. I hope you guys are doing well. And as you can see, we are in the new place. This is actually my room. Me and my brother share the room, so this is my room. I thought it would be nice to change the location for a while because एक ही place में कितने बार video करोगे. And for today's video we have a special challenge. I normally don't do the challenge but कुछ entertainment के लिए कुछ करना पड़ता है. So read the title. I sent my past crushes a quiz and they have responded it, and I am going to read it out loud and share some tea and juice with you guys. And I'm not going to take names in this video about anyone because it would be weird. I'll tell you how it happened and वगैरह वगैरह, and that's it. So let's get into this video. I have got my laptop here, and this is how the quiz I prepared. Check it out. And we are going to start with the number one guy. Okay, so the name I'm not gonna tell you, but this was my recent ex. We broke up some time ago. I don't know why I sent him this thing, but I realized that I had a crush on him, so why not? So the question is, did you know I had a crush on you? Yes. How dateable am I? 5. If I'm so dateable, then why do you leave me? Sorry for that. Any final thoughts? I don't know. Okay, fine. Cool. On to the next one. So this next guy was in, I met him through Instagram or something a while ago. He is a chef, so I liked that idea. That out onto the quiz. Did you know I had a crush on you? Yes. How did you know? I never told you. Do you have had a crush on me? Maybe. Yeah, that's acceptable. How attractive am I? 4. Thanks. How dateable am I? 5. Okay. Any final thoughts? You should first solve your complicated relationship problems first. Well, you're cute too. I don't think I have any relationship problems now or ever had any that I told you, but okay. The third one is also an ex. I don't know why I sent it to my ex. I don't know. I figured that I had a crush on them, so I would send them too. Did you know I had a crush on you? Yes. I was behind this guy for a year. Like when I was in my 11th, no, I was in my 12th standard, we were uh, in the same class. He used to sit behind me, and we never talked for a year at all. Had no contact, but I liked how he looked and everything. And after the 12th board exams, I don't know why, I instantly DM'd him on Instagram, and he replied, and I remember that I ran away from that conversation and ignored him for a week because I was so scared. But then he was sweet and he replied, and that's how we started, and then we dated for a year, and so it ended. And do you have had a crush on me? Yes. How attractive am I? 5. Thank you. How dateable am I? 3. Well, that's acceptable. Any final thoughts? No. Okay. Next, on to the fourth guy. This guy I met through Instagram. Instagram in, I guess, a while ago. Did you know I had a crush on you? No. Yeah, you never knew. I never told you so. Do you have had a crush on me? Maybe. I think you did, or you still do. I'm not so sure. How attractive am I? 4. Thanks. How dateable am I? 4. Thanks. Any final thoughts? Well, you are very sweet and caring. Just stay the same always. There with you in your ups and downs, cutie. Oh, thanks. I guess I'll do the same for you. You know, we are good friends and I would like to keep it that way. Well, up till now, none of the guys have said yes that they liked me except from my exes. Next guy is also someone I met very recently, very recently through Instagram, and I don't really have a crush on him, but you know, I thought it would be fun to send him. I met him through Instagram because I was really bored. Did you know I had a crush on you? No, because even I don't know. Do you have had a crush on me? Maybe. I don't know if you do because you don't really drop any hints or you are just very blank about it. How attractive am I? 4. Thanks. How dateable am I? 4. Thank you. Any final thoughts? Hope you come up with a good place in Thane. Well, he kept it up to me to find a place, and I did find a place, so I found a place. And the next guy is from my first year, second year college. He was my good friend. We used to talk. I, 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 I won't say I had a crush, but I enjoyed the company. Did you know I had a crush on you? Yes. Well, if that gave you wrong ideas, then okay. Do you have had a crush on me? No. Well, that's just hurtful. How attractive am I? 4. Thank you. How dateable am I? 4. Thanks. Any final thoughts? Great person to talk with. You know, I am a great person to talk with, as I always told you guys, so sorry about that. And the final guy, this is the guy from my school. A year older than me, and we used to talk on WhatsApp a lot, and then we sort of, you know, went on our ways. But at the time, I think I liked him, you know, because he was really cool, and at that time he was cool. Now he's not. Sorry. Do you know I had a crush on you? Maybe you knew it. Do you have a crush on me? Do you have had a crush on me? Yes. Huh? How attractive am I? 4. How dateable am I? 3. Okay. Any final thoughts? So if you calling this out in your video, would not it look great if I ask you out here? I mean, I don't mind, to be honest. What? What? I can't believe you just said that here. I mean, I know it's a joke, and even if you did ask me, I would say no. But still, it's funny. Oh my god. Oh, this is so funny. Now I know why girls do this, okay? So these are all the guys that responded to me, and I know it was a very short, but you know, if you guys liked it, then um, thumbs up and like it, share it, subscribe it. We are so close to 100 subscribers. Please, I need more subscribers to continue this on, because I'm working really hard right now, and I'm really on to this YouTube thing because I'm enjoying it so much. And I know today's video was a little offbeat from my usual videos about mental health, but sometimes it's good to have fun and do these challenges. And if you want me to do some more challenges, then let's get it on with. Send me in the comments below what you want me to do next, or any suggestions you have, any compliments you have, or anything you want to share. Follow me on my Instagram. There are many stories, and I post a lot of pictures, very helpful stories and everything. Also join the Facebook group. Everything will be linked down below, and stay tuned for the new vlog coming up this week. It's very exciting. And if you didn't watch my previous vlog, then the link will be here and in the description below. Please watch that too. It's very exciting about the unlockdown in Thane. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.